Okay, I forgot to make the branch, so I'm going to have to show how to do the branch even though I've already made the changes. So the idea is you want to work in your own branch, so you do click on current branch, this button, hit new branch here, and I'm making one just for me. So that's going to be Reanders, and I'm going to say Reanders, um, assignment 2, right? So I can create that. So there we go. Now I made a branch for it and I can publish the branch. And this allows people to share and work the same branch with me. Now here's the part is that now I want to get this branch and I want to have it submitted as like the homework assignment. So I hit create the pull request and it goes over and says, hey, do you want to make a pull request? Well, because I had not made any changes, it won't do the pull request yet. So what I did was I already completed everything, so I have to go in and make some additional changes. So I'm just going to do that real quick. So I have to go back to projects. I have to open up the 2021 project and continue with the updates here. Make sure it runs my defaults. Looks good. It opens up. So we're back here, and I did the whole thing where I put a cursor in. So what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to just delete both of these. Okay. So the cursor is the object holder. Let me just, no, I need the cursor. Cursor's little thing is on the bottom. So let's do that. I'm going to delete the car. That's to replace me. One of the things you can do is you can search for by type, and we can actually search by model. And there's a whole bunch of different models in here. So we had a car, we have a balloon, we have a Yeti. So I'm just going to grab the Yeti and I'm going to just drag it over because this is kind of one of the fun parts. So now I have a Yeti. So if I click there and if I hover over the scene, I have a Yeti in the world. So that's pretty cool. And if I wanted to check on the Yeti, I just hit the play button and it goes into the game. And now when I click, I can sort of drag the Yeti. Now the Yeti actually has animations and other stuff, and we can enable those. But that's a whole other thing. All I just want to do is just make sure you get something fun in the game. And then I'm going to unplay this. And now we've done enough changes. So here at File, and then Exit, we save our changes. And now we go back to the GitHub template. So make sure you're at the template selected. And it tells us, hey, we made this change to sample scene. And I'm going to say added Yeti. And remember, here we are, we're in this branch. So now I've actually added stuff to the branch. I'm pushing it to the origin. So it's like there's a copy of it, but now the copy is out there, updated on GitHub. But now I want to pull the, I'm going to turn it in officially and say create pull request. And this is, it goes here, it goes and says, hey, I'm this person and I want to add a Yeti. Add a Yeti and turn in my homework. Okay. And then you do create pull request. And what happens is the pull request goes to me, who has pull access and stuff, and I can fix it and I can add it to the project and all that. But it is there. This is the URL. Pull 4, cut and paste that, and you turn that URL in. So that's all you have to do is just grab that URL, and you're in good shape. That is the assignment.